taking a look at Grab here. Grab currently at 524, up 7%. If we take a look at the news here, it says Grab rallies after Singapore announces corporate income tax rebate, right? Seeing a lot of news here and a lot of analyst info on Grab as well. We checked unusual whales as well. Saw the analyst price targets of Grab were on average were around $5 to $6. Now, aside from what the analysts think, right? In my opinion, I think Grab is going to be a big winner during this year. Let's go ahead and go into the weekly chart and set up the Fibonacci retracement at a low of 219, which was an incredible loading opportunity, right? And I still think we are in a buying opportunity. Why is that? I think while we're below 560, that if you are long term in Grab stock, like I am, I'm personally in Grab stock long term, I think an entry below 560 is incredible, especially because we are about to test above the 200 EMA, which is right around 527. If you look at this morning, we had a high overnight of 570, right? Now back onto the weekly chart. Once we break above this 200 EMA at 527, I would keep an eye out for 560 short-term resistance, right? 560 here. Then followed from 560, we should see a pretty big leg up towards $8.27. This is the 61 percentile range on the Fibonacci retracement line. That's currently a 56% move up towards the top side. So in my opinion, not financial advice, I think this is a great dip opportunity. I did load it in some shares here for Grab at 525. I've been in Vietnam before and Asia. A lot of Asian countries have Grab as an app. It's kind of like DoorDash. You can also use it as a taxi and delivery service, right? So food delivery service and taxi service. I think it's very popular over in Vietnam. I've seen it, I've used it, and that's why I'm personally long-term on Grab. I think it's the most popular app over there in Vietnam at the moment in terms of food delivery and also taxi services. I'm keeping an eye out for this break above the 200 EMA, which did occur this morning. We should start to see this test towards $8.30. I think this does occur within 2025. Now, I think that's my minimal case scenario, right? I think a bull case scenario is we get a test towards this resistance level at $10.15. That is going to be a bigger spike up towards 90%. Okay, so I think that's definitely a possibility. Again, if you're just looking at this on a super short time frame, I would caution on volatility, of course, right? If there's a potential pullback to 474, 453, 418. Those are all possible pullback levels in the short term. But if you are long term in Grab stock, I would highly recommend, personally, in my own opinion, to keep an eye out for this stock. If you aren't watching it already, just watch, in my opinion, for the 50 EMA here crossing above the 100 EMA, which is currently happening right now. And then in a more bullish case scenario, the 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA, which would signal a big reversal in the stock chart, which, if we see that 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA, I would believe $18.11 here is going to get retested for a new high. So that's how bullish I am personally on Grab stock. Do what you want to do. That's what I'm doing right now. I loaded a position below the 200 EMA. Again, 200 EMA is at 527. I still think below 560 is pretty good too, if you're just looking to go long term. If you are interested in Grab stock, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 members there, and it's free to join. We do call out our live entries and exits as well. 90% off discount on Patreon. If that's something you're interested in, highly recommend joining the Patreon. Link down below in the description. We have a 90% off discount due to our 5-year anniversary. That's what we're celebrating. So if you do join, it's going to be a permanent 90% off discount. Tiers ranging from $10 to $50 monthly instead of $100 to $500 monthly. Yes, in the future we are going to increase prices to those levels. So if you're looking to join at a discount, highly recommend getting grandfathered in at these current prices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video for Grab stock. I'm going to make a Grab stock technical analysis on a weekly basis. So stay subscribed, stay tuned, and like the video if you are also holding Grab long term. Thanks for watching.